Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can configure your SMTP for multi-purpose multi-tenancy website builder SaaS script. Let's go to admin panel, scroll down, go to general settings, scroll down, go to SMTP settings. Here you have to input your SMTP host name. Put the host name here, username here, SMTP and some other details. Let me show you by configure a test environment for local development. Let me put my host name here, copy this, username, and let me put my password as well. Click on save changes. Now click on the inbox. So let's send a test email so that we can test this SMTP configuration is working or not. Put a test subject, put an email here, send a message, test message, click on send test mail. The mail is sent. Let's check it. Here it is. As you can see, the test email is arrived properly. So this is how you can actually set up SMTP for your website. The same process for the tenant website as well. They can configure their own SMTP to use it. So this is it. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in next video. Bye bye.